My beautiful friends, there is something that you need to know. The old way of learning drums online is dead. If you've tried learning drums online, you have heard one consistent message over and over again, and that is more, and more. You need to learn more beats, more fills, you need to learn from more teachers, you need to watch more videos. So that's why we have 5.6 million videos that you could never ever watch in a lifetime, all while learning from a million different teachers telling you completely inconsistent things. If we put all of this more into practice, this is what our drumming starts to sound like. This is a perfect example of what so much of our practice time ends up looking like, because we keep practicing these random things that we're pulling from online, and none of it is in a guided path that actually builds on top of each other to help us make consistent, clear progress. Don't get me wrong, there are plenty of helpful videos out there, but none of them are leading you towards the end zone. That's a football term I learned. All of this more and inconsistent messaging can lead us towards a lot of frustration, complete overwhelm on the kit, and it leaves us guessing what we're actually supposed to be practicing, which then leads us to the dreaded drumming rut, where every time we step behind the kit, we just don't actually feel like we're making consistent progress. And chances are you have already felt this in your drumming, which is why this outdated way of learning drums online is simply ineffective. This is why I've created something that actually works, that not only helps you learn how to play the drums if you're just starting or improve your existing skills, but it actually points you in the direction of your goals so that you can make consistent progress while avoiding drumming ruts. So that's why I've created a new way that actually works. Because drumming is more than just learning beats, fills, and exercises. Those are awesome, don't get me wrong. But ultimately, we want to reach our goals to be able to play music, perform live or perform with our friends, and reach our full potential on the drums. This new system is called the DBO drumming path, and this is how you can start to make consistent progress while avoiding drumming ruts. If this is one of the first videos you're watching of mine, hello, my name is Gabe. I'm the founder of one of the largest online drum schools, DBO Academy, and I also play drums for two-time Grammy-nominated, platinum-selling rock band, I Prevail. What? Oh, okay. I've been told that was too pretentious. Now, there are a couple things that the more method is great at, and that is wasting your time and helping you get into plenty of drumming ruts. And that is because there's an absence of any type of clear, focused path for you to reach your goals on the drum kit. The one thing I have noticed about world-renowned drummers that I've shared the stage with is that they have very clear-cut goals that they have been working towards that have led them to be on that stage. They're not just spending most of their time learning random drum fills on YouTube. So let's talk about the more method and why it leads you into drumming ruts. Psychologically, when we are overwhelmed by choice, we simply don't make progress. When we are endlessly scrolling, looking for the right lesson for us, we are seeing things that are incredibly repetitive, seeing lessons outside of our skill level, and hearing a lot of contradictory messages, which only leads to more confusion. And confusion can lead to drumming ruts, which takes away what drums are supposed to be for us in the first place, which is a source of freedom, enjoyment, fun, and confidence. But instead, when we're in these drumming ruts, we end up feeling frustration. We waste our time practicing things without getting any better. And this is a heck of a blow to our mental health, because then emotionally, we start feeling embarrassed and we start feeling like we're not good enough and that we just weren't given the gift of drumming. What I know is that anyone can become a great drummer, and it's so frustrating to see that most people haven't been given the tools to get there. People don't just become black belts in karate by learning how to kick better and punch better. They need a path to be able to put those things into context so that they can go up the ranks to ultimately reach that end goal of becoming a black belt. So let's cut back to the drum beat that we had with the more method. It's sounding pretty chaotic. But what happens once we start to strip away all of the more? Now we have the bass level beat. Now let's say that this bass beat represents exactly where you are right now as a drummer. Imagine being on a drumming path that starts right here. Whether you're just picking up sticks for the first time or you've been playing for decades, the DBO drumming path will help guide you step by step to help you reach your goals on the drum kit in a way that actually makes sense. This is the most effective way to practice, grow, and have fun on the drum set. You can actually make consistent progress while saying goodbye to those annoying drumming ruts. And I'm talking about every single week you are seeing results on the drum set. You will finally have a level of control over where you are going in your drumming journey. If you're just trying to improve your hobby and have more fun with your friends, you will have the tools to do that. Or if you are trying to play in a band, gig live, or make your own drum videos online, you will have the tools to do that as well. You can make all of this happen as soon as you implement the DBO drumming path. This would not only up-level your drumming, but it would have a ripple effect in the rest of your life because you know that you are making consistent progress in the thing that you are incredibly passionate about. Life is way too short to be wasting time practicing things that don't work and to not have fun on the drum set. I want you to unlock the potential that you already have inside of you, which is why in the next lesson in this 6-part series, I'm going to be giving you the first steps to get started on your very own drumming path. And I am really excited to see a handful of you take this DBO drumming path to the next level with DBO Academy, which is my online drum school that opens January 11th. This is the ultimate resource for you to be able to put your drumming path in place and make serious progress. But doors are only going to be open for 5 days, so I would really encourage you to join the waitlist right up here or in the link in the description below. Everyone on the waitlist will get an opportunity to join DBO Academy a day early, and you will get some special bonuses as well. So make sure you join that waitlist. You will not regret it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I know this was a little bit of a different one, but this is stuff that is really important and really matters to help you progress on the drum set, and that is what I am here for. So like I said, this is a part of a 6-part series. Stay true, and I will see you in video number 2. Bye.